Welcome to today's exploration of the health benefits of incorporating coconut oil into your diet. Have you ever wondered about the true impact of this tropical treasure on your body? In this video, we'll separate fact from fiction by delving into scientific data, covering aspects from metabolism to skin health, and addressing the burning question: should you include coconut oil in your daily routine? Before we delve into the benefits, a quick reminder that the information provided here is for educational purposes only and should not substitute professional medical advice. Number 1. Increases good HDL cholesterol. Coconut oil's potential to boost HDL cholesterol, rich in medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, plays a key role, as shown in a study published in Circulation in 2020. Number 2. Boosts brain function in Alzheimer's. The easily absorbed MCTs in coconut oil convert into ketones, proving beneficial for Alzheimer's patients, as demonstrated in a 2016 study in the Journal of Alzheimer's Disease. Number 3. Increases fat burning. A high concentration of MCTs in coconut oil elevates calorie burning and energy expenditure, as highlighted in a 2015 study in the Journal of Nutrition. Number 4. Appetite suppression. Coconut oil's impact on reducing appetite is attributed to the unique metabolism of MCTs, influencing hunger hormones, as suggested by a 2009 study in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition. Number 5. Improves digestion. With MCTs, vitamins, and minerals, coconut oil supports digestive health, aiding in easier digestion and nutrient absorption. Number 6. Reduction of seizures. The metabolic shift induced by coconut oil, leading to ketone production, shows potential in reducing seizures, as suggested by a 2014 study in epilepsy research. Number 7. Reduces belly fat. Rich in MCTs, coconut oil may aid in trimming stubborn belly fat through appetite suppression and fat burning. Number 8. Immune system support. Lauric acid and capric acid in coconut oil, alongside MCTs, exhibit antimicrobial properties, contributing to immune system support. Number 9. Improves blood sugar control. The swift absorption of MCTs into the bloodstream helps stabilize blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, as suggested by a 2020 study in the Journal of the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics. Now, let's discuss the ideal coconut oil intake. Starting with 1 to 2 tablespoons per day is recommended, gradually increasing while paying attention to your body's response. Consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. While drinking coconut oil in moderation is generally considered safe, be aware of potential side effects when consumed in large amounts, including digestive discomfort, increased cholesterol levels, caloric intake leading to weight gain, allergic reactions, concerns about heart health, and potential interactions with medications. In conclusion, the journey through the world of coconut oil has revealed both its peaks of health benefits and valleys of potential side effects. Your path to health is unique, so tread wisely. If you found this content intriguing, don't forget to like, share your coconut oil stories in the comments, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more deep dives into the world of wellness. Until next time, stay curious, stay healthy, and keep exploring.